Hi, good morning. Mostly many people used to call me asking for the Aadhaar update center, where it is located, and why people are calling me is because I have been previously working few years back as a Aadhaar operator, and I have been running a update center in my hometown Coimbatore. So people have been frequently asking me where it is located, your center. So if I come there, can it be updated? The one thing I need to clarify is right now I'm not working as Aadhaar operator, or any other private centers are not working. Only the government authorized centers that are being run by uidai.gov.in. That is the other concerned department of the government of India. So to locate the nearest center in your city, you need to go to the website called uidai.gov.in. If you go to this particular website, you can find the My Aadhaar tab. In that, you need to go to the Locate Enrollment Center. Once you click that particular tab, you will be seeing three particular things over there. Update center near you. That is, you can search by state, pin code, or a search box. You can very well go by the pin code, postal code of your particular area or the nearby area where you are located. You just key in your pin code. Since I'm in Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu, I will be using the frequent pin code that is nearer to me. And just click in the show only permanent centers, and then click the captcha. And click on the search button to locate the center. Once you give this, it will give you the list of centers that are located in your particular city and the pin code that is exactly what you have given. If there is no available centers in this particular pin code, you can very well try the nearby pin code, something that is nearer to your area. So here you need to know one thing, that is it gives you the status of the particular center it is being run. Okay, in the last 30 days, this particular center has only done two enrollments. That means this center is not operational at present due to the COVID-19 or some other particular issues, technical issues or anything else. You can see the other center that is being done, that has done 780 updates and 95 enrollments, and this data is updated on July 4th. So this gives you a clear idea that this particular center is being run and is fully operational. So you can go to this particular website and get you the details of all the centers where it is located and everything. And while going to the centers, take all the original documents, and the only things that you can get updated in the permanent enrollment center are your biometrics, your address, your photo, or your mobile number, any kind of thing, date of birth kind of thing. And address alone, if you need to update, and if you have your mobile number already attached to your Aadhaar, you can very well do it online. Else you need to go to the permanent enrollment center where you can do all these services. Thank you. If you like this video, you can just click a like button, share button, and you can very well subscribe to our other videos. Thank you.